Okay, in today's video, this is an unboxing of a order that I had purchased from Missouri Star Quilt Company. And this is called the End of the Bolt Mystery Box. And I usually only purchase or not. I've been using up my vintage fabrics for my own stash, and so I'm getting near the end of that and have been reaching out to friends who have vintage fabrics, but now that is getting more and more limited. So I said, you know what, I'm going to go ahead and jump in, get some new fabrics, and those can be included in my projects as well. Maybe not in my slow stitch kits, but you never know, some of these might show up in some of them. And if that is the case, I will put it in the description that they are vintage and new fabrics. All my laces are vintage. I have got a ton of those. I will not be running out of those anytime soon. So unless I'm getting, hundreds and hundreds of orders a month in my Etsy shop, then yes, that would definitely deplete it. But at the rate I'm going, I will have plenty of vintage lace for quite a while. All right, so yes, this is the Missouri Star Quilt Company, obviously in Missouri. This is a cute little thank you card they put in the box. Okay, so I had purchased two of the, do they consider these the charm? Can't remember if they call these charm packs. Anyhow, okay, so these are 5-inch squares. I like the 5-inch squares. And I had this box for probably a week or so. I think I received it before I came home from the hospital, or before I went into the hospital, something like that. But anyway, so I knew I needed neutrals. So I needed a lot of neutrals for my slow stitching projects. And I like the 5-inch, like I said. So they give you a piece of cardboard, they give you this piece. I don't really know. I might use it in a junk journal. You never know. Maybe make a cluster or something like that with it. Okay, so there are 42 pieces. Yes, let me see. Yes, 42 pieces come in these packs. So, I mean, just a beautiful assortment of beautiful neutrals. And of course, I was purchasing it during the holiday deal times, and I was a new customer. So if you sign up as a new customer, you get a 20% off coupon code. Okay? And then they've been having tons and tons of sales and discounts. So on top of the sale and discount, I was able to use my 20% off coupon. Can you believe that? Absolutely unheard of. And then free shipping on top of that. So, I mean, it was a win-win. And because I knew I needed to add to my fabric stash, so I said, you know what, I'm going to just take the plunge, order the mystery box. This will probably be the only time I will do it, because you can't request, unfortunately, if I could have said, oh, just give me a bunch of pastels, no holidays, things like that, more, nothing novelty-ish, but you can't. So they just, you got to take what they give you. But I was willing to do that. And then I purchased this one here because I wanted to have something more in blue. And so these range from the lights to the mediums, and a lot of neutrals in here as well, and then to the darks. Isn't this beautiful? And again, I was able to get these charm packs for like $7 each or something like that, some ridiculous thing, after the coupon and everything. And then the box itself was on sale, and then I had 20% off of that, like I said, and then the free shipping. But look at all, I've kind of like separated them out. So these is what I consider the neutrals. So white with black. This is like with hearts and just different patterns, the snowflakes. Beautiful. I love this one. Is more white with a snowflake pattern, but it's just in a very faint beige tone. You can just barely see it. Love this one here. Oh, just like a grass cloth. Very gorgeous. This is a solid. This one is the white and black with a little bit of pink with arrows. Very self-explanatory. And then a solid white. Oh, just love that. And then here's another solid. And then this beautiful gold white leaf pattern. Absolutely beautiful. And then these are more, I still consider these in the neutral, but I love that. This gray, I'm really excited about adding some of that into the projects. And then some different greens. And these are all, I mean, this is a lot of fabric. I can tell just, you know, I haven't opened these up. I'm not going to open them up because I don't want to have all that fabric dust getting into my lungs. I was going to wear my mask. And so, I mean, they're all cotton fabrics for quilting. This is a holiday, so I'll probably cover that up somehow because I don't use holiday fabrics in my creativity. And this is just gorgeous. I love this. And oh my goodness, it's like, you know, look at this. So go to their website. I'm not an affiliate. I don't have any kind of a referral link. I'll have to look that up in case they offer something like that. And if they do, then I'll put a referral link below. But I don't think they do because my friend had told me about them and I didn't see any kind of like friend and family referral thing going on. Because I would have told her and then I would have used her referral link. Isn't this gorgeous? Absolutely gorgeous. That's not all. And then this one, oh my goodness. I am really tickled pink with everything that I received. It's just, and if there's anything that I can't use, like I said, I can, you know, I've shown you how to take like sentiments and cover them up if it says something you don't use. And I will do the same thing with the fabrics. I will just take, if it's a, you know, theme that I don't like, I will take that and cover it up with some other things, like make a cluster out of it. Doesn't matter what the base is, you know. And kind of like what we do anyway when we're, you know, making the clusters or doing a collage. Absolutely. I'm so happy. I'm tickled pink. I mean, this is like, I'll have enough fabric now for the quilting projects, the slow stitching projects. Love this one with the houses, snowflakes. And I think because I was a first-time customer, they really gave me some really a nice box, because from what I was reading, it said they were 2-inch strips. These are not 2-inch strips. These are really truly like a yard of fabric, you know, quarter yards, half yards, yard of fabric. I can tell very easily. So I'm just extremely happy with them. So check out the Missouri Star Quilt Company. And if you're a first-time customer, be sure to use your 20% off coupon code. And their customer service is wonderful. They're extremely friendly, fantastic. So if you live near there, if you're a fan of them already, leave me a comment below. Let me know what you love about them. And now I'm a new customer and a fan, but I won't be purchasing anything for quite a while. But this is going to keep me very busy. So thank you for being here. This is just a short video, and I will see you in the next video. Keep creating in the sunshine. Bye-bye.